Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Halifax online banking. First, gather your essential documents. You'll need your Halifax account details, such as your sort code and account number. Also, have your personal information, like your full name and date of birth, readily available. Most importantly, ensure you have access to your registered mobile phone, as Halifax will send a one-time passcode for security verification during the setup process. This preparation makes the entire process smooth and quick. Now, let's dive into the registration steps. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Halifax website. Look for the Register for Online Banking or New User section, usually found near the login area. Click on this option to start the registration form. Carefully input all requested personal and account details, ensuring everything is accurate. Double-check your sort code and account number to avoid any delays. This step is crucial for linking your existing accounts. Security is paramount when setting up online banking. You'll be prompted to create a secure username and a strong password. Choose something unique, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum protection. Next, Halifax will send a one-time passcode, or OTP, to your registered mobile phone. Enter this 6-digit code into the designated field on the website to verify your identity. This two-factor authentication step ensures only you can access your new online account. Congratulations! You're now ready for your first login. Use the username and password you just created to access your Halifax online banking portal. Once inside, take a moment to explore the various features available. You can easily check your account balances, view recent transactions, and even set up payments or transfers. Don't forget to personalize your experience by setting up useful alerts and managing your account preferences. Enjoy the convenience of managing your finances from anywhere, 24 hours a day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.